Coverage of CES is sponsored by us. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe for more coverage on CES 2026.
Let me do it for you.
Yeah, make sure it works.
You literally put it on the top of the front. The whole body opens. Look, the body opens.
So we can. Usually this is mounted on the car, as you can see on the top.
So the canopy is mounted on the Jeep. There you guys can see. I'm going to show you guys in a bit right now.
From the car.
Look at this.
While you're driving, this thing is mounted on the car. While you're driving, it'll open and then the drone goes live. Ready to go.
You want one, huh? Seriously, you want one?
Yeah.
I thought it was just 5. I'll take 5, yeah. Do you do construction or archaeology? What do you use it for?
Well, I'm a filmmaker.
Oh, so like, okay, makes sense. Are you Joyce certified to fly these now?
Yeah.
Or,
Yeah, so I'm speaking at like 2:30 or something here.
Oh, okay.
Just about the new drone.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
What is it?
It's this one right here. This.
This has a barcode here that lands on. Check out the rest of the drones here. Look at this drone here. Big controller. Carbon fiber. Large camera. This one has a thermal laser, GPS, pretty much the sink, the dishwasher, the types of different faces that you can interface with